Today we're going to speak about host pool level actions within the Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.4 console. Now, historically, in order to perform a global host pool level action, you've had to be at the host pool level. So you can see I have a filtered view here of all pools which have the prefix of TS on them. And from here, I can perform actions such as configuring auto scale against that pool. However, from the deeper menu level of the hosts themselves, I only had specific host actions available to me, and in order to make changes to the actual pool itself, I'd need to go back, which can cause some frustration and takes additional time. So we've added a new Select Host Pool Actions menu to the 4.4 release of Nerdio Manager for Enterprise. From this, you can perform your host pool level actions without needing to click back to the top level of your menu. This just simplifies administration and hopefully makes an administrator's life slightly more straightforward without needing to navigate across menus to perform actions. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you again.